So in this demonstration video of our course B01 data management,
we're going to look briefly at how we can use R to organize projects. So as you know, we want to organize a project with systematic files and folders, and R will help us do that. We had examples before, and this kind of layout stems from having an R project and then containing subfolders with information that's relevant to the project. So what we're going to do is go to the file setting in R, create a new project, make a new directory there. So it'll be like this one here, select a new project, give that project a name, give it a corresponding subdirectory, and that'll be our new file called our new.r project inside the folder new, and we can create RMD files inside there. So that means we can take a test one inside the same folder as this our project ID, and we can create folders inside that as well, where say analysis one here is a project inside new. So you might want to set your working directory to that corresponding folder in that RMD file. So let's look at how we can do that now on the RStudio server.
So this is our RStudio workspace. So we can go to
create a new project. We don't really want to save my old data in my case. I'm going to create a new directory, new project. You can see if we go back there, there's quite a lot of other things you can do, which we're not going to talk about and the quite diverse, but we're just creating a new project. We're going to call it new lowercase in this case. Let's call it new two. Let's call it new two. Create project, and we're going to what directory we want to keep it in. Maybe I want to do it new folder. So I'll call it project one. Put that inside that folder and create that project. So this will just take a moment, and then we create an RMB file inside there. So new file, R markdown. I'm going to call it test1, and that's our new new RMD file that's inside there. We're going to save it. Just call it test1. And then if we go to our files and folders, you can see there we're inside our project by default, new 2. That's our project. So what we can do then is just create a new project inside there. So new project, let's call it new project, let's call it analysis. And then if we by default, if we check the session, we're in just to get working directory, we're inside that folder already. So inside analysis, we can create a new RMD file inside there. I'll call it analysis 1. And then we can save that file. You can see that we're inside our analysis folder inside our project 1. And then if we want to go inside our analysis folder, because we're inside, so let's check that we're inside there. We create another folder, new project inside there. Let's call it. And then, yeah, what I meant to do is put inside new 2. So we're going to call it processing. Let's check where we are, get working directory, processing, okay, a new file, new RMD file inside there, processing 1. And let's call that processing 1. So you can see that we're inside new 2. We have a file processing that contains our RMD file. So the R project kind of manages our different folders, so therefore it is quite possible then to use R to create our different subfolders and arrange our RStudio files and our data files in a systematic manner. So then we could create a new, for example, text file inside here, and that could create be a README file inside there, and we could create this is our README for this folder, and then save that there. And then we have our README file, which we can view. So that's how we can create a basic set of folders for data management using R.